Hello everybody, my name is Shay. I'm a full-time reseller and we have a small town thrift haul. I did not have the energy and honestly I really wasn't planning on making this trip. I was already over there because I had to do something with my kids and I was like, I'm already 75% of the way there, so I might as well go, you know? Honestly thought I wasn't gonna find anything because 2 days prior, this particular thrift store that I went to one thrift store and 2 consignment stores in this town, and I found some really good things. They actually had like a 40% off sale off of every purchase 2 days before, so I didn't think I was gonna find anything, but boy, did I find some good stuff. So let's get started. I did find quite a few things for myself on this trip. I think like 8 pieces. I found a pair of jeans, a couple tops, a jumpsuit, and something else for myself. They're all like black. I am so bad. Also, I am sporting my really cute little Halloween turtleneck from the bins today. I love layering it under these jumpsuits when it's like cold in the morning and it is like 80 degrees in the afternoon. Thank you, Iowa weather. But anyway, let's get started with what I grabbed to resell. So the thing I got was this. I did not look up the brand because this looked like a Lag & Looky type piece. And at this thrift store, I normally find a lot of these Lag & Look pieces, like one person or a couple people are donating them a lot. This is Jess and Jane made in the USA, and it's just like a really nice mineral wash Lag & Look piece. This was $5 because they considered it a dress. Find a zippity zip. I have not found these in a long time because my Once Upon a Child has raised the price on them to where it doesn't make sense for me to pick them up to resell, but this was $1. So it does have some staining on the back, like the back of this has a yellow stain on it. Somebody will still buy it for at least $10. So this really cute Nike, this feels like brand new, cowl neck sweatshirt. I think it's a size small or medium. Size medium. I found it for $5 on the new rack. I think I can get 25 to 30 for that. Can't leave behind vintage, and this was such a cute piece. So it's got a lot going for it. First off, here's the front. The front's like this really cool, like, oh, I just love it. And then it goes into a jumpsuit with a jogger bottom, and then the back has this bow that you put right there. Somebody needs this. It is so beautiful. Anyway, the brand is Chune, California, in a size 6. I have no idea. The colors are still super bright and vibrant, like this was in storage for a long time, so really happy to get that piece. I probably will price this high and just see what happens. These Under Armour Cold Gear size large. It is the newer tag. Just little women's sweatpants. These are my bread and butter. I sell these like hotcakes, an easy $20 or $25. I paid $3.50. Wasn't sure if I was gonna try to wear it myself. We'll see. It is new with tags though. It's from Glix and it is a size large. It retail for $46, but it's just Mito Shop, which is a boutique brand. Really cute floral short dress. Short dresses most of the time just don't do well for me. Anyway, this was $5. I'm pretty tall, so Y2K moment. And they did not have it priced up. I was very surprised. Look at that. Look at that dress. It's like metallic blue all the way down. The brand is Onyx Night, which I have had really good luck with this brand in the past. I've received some for free. This was $3.50. I don't even think they thought it was gonna sell because it, you know, to some people that's out of style. To me, that's like in style right now. So I was happy to grab that. This was only $2. This was a Eddie Bauer size large skort. Kind of a boring item, but this will sell. A great find as well. You never know what you're gonna find at your small town thrift stores. This is like Jersey Shore. Where's the front? This is what like JWoww wore to the Jersey Shore clubs back in the early 2000s. Well, this was like mid 2000s when Jersey Shore was out, but that is Ed Hardy. It is a tube top dress by Ed Hardy. This is like a $50 bill right here, and it was only $3.50. Most people are not looking for this in small towns, That's why I always encourage you guys to go to the small town thrift stores, because you don't have the competition that you do in a large, big city. These Circle G by Corral boots, these were actually in the men's section, but they are in fact women's. They were $7.50 and they are a size 8.5. They do have some minor toe wear right there, but $7.50 into probably $45.50 for these. Great deal. Next item that I got were these genuine, I was gonna say Ed Hardy, Harley Davidson, $3.50, size 2XL. Like, what are these? Yoga pants. They say Harley Davidson on the bottom. They seem to be in really nice shape. That was such a great find. I don't know if this is going to be like super great, but this is Lauren Ralph Lauren. It was $5 and it's like that signature chain print. I thought since it was like that more classic print that it would do probably pretty well. I don't know, 40 bucks. This one is Gilded Intent, and this is a buckle brand, but I just bought it for the tribal print because tribal print seems to do really well these days, and it is a boyfriend big shirt or shacket. Probably paid $3.50. This is a really cute boutique piece. This is by Fate. I wished it was a larger size, otherwise I would totally keep it, but it's this like mineral wash hoodie with the cable knit on the front. Looks like it was barely worn, probably $30, 25, 30 bucks on that. This was a newer style, Under Armour, size large. Just like, I don't know, all-weather type layering hoodie. I love this color. You don't see that color very often. This was, as soon as I felt it, I knew this was like a Scrubs piece. I didn't know what brand though, but when I looked at it, it had this infinity symbol, and that is Cherokee Infinity, I'm pretty sure. The only reason I know is because I just thrifted some Scrubs with this symbol on it, and Cherokee Infinity stuff actually kind of has similar comps to Figs, which is crazy. So I did go ahead and pick this up. I have no idea what size it is. There is no tag in here, but it is reversible. So somebody probably ripped the tag out, but it was only $3.50. So I could probably get a solid $25 out of this. Really nice reversible scrub vest. If I was working at the doctor's office, that is something that I would totally wear. This is a Peace Love World. This is just a QVC brand. It was $5, but it is new with tags. But it's just a really cute, it says Peace Love World all over it. Some pieces from Peace Love World do horribly. The sweaters were actually doing pretty good, so. This is Andre by Unit. This is another really cute boutique brand, and it's in a size medium. Like Andre by Unit and Savannah Jane, those stuff that kind of looks like Johnny Was, they're made by the same company. So yeah, it's just a really cute size medium blouse. I paid $3.50. So this brand is like another Lag and Look type brand. It's Framini. And this is just like a really long, nice Lag and Look little zip up sweatshirt. That was $5. This is a Logo by Lori Goldstein. I always have great luck with Logo still. I mean, I don't price it out of the realm of possibilities. I don't price it super high, but this will get at least $15. This is another really cute boutique piece. This is Easel, and it is this really pretty bright floral kimono. I almost kept this, but this is like too much color for me. I don't know. It's so pretty though. Look at the back. Ah, such a pretty kimono. It's in a size large, my size. It was $3.50. I should be able to get 25 to 30. This is Liss. I have great luck with this brand. I don't get it all the time because I don't really find it all the time, but this is like their pull-on jeans and stuff like that fly out for like 25 bucks. So I got this denim jacket. It's really nice and stretchy. It was $5 in a size medium. This one I wasn't sure if I was going to keep either, but I don't think I am. It is Heemish USA. This is just another boutique brand, but It is a size 2XL. Cute little ruffle. Look at the ruffles at the sleeves. So cute. Adorable. This is a nice little kimono. 20 bucks probably. This is a cold water creek piece in a size 1XL. I did get it because it is new with tags and it feels like linen, looks like linen. I didn't actually check to make sure it was linen, but I don't know. The price tag on it says $64.95, so I'm sure I can at least get 25 for that. This is another boutique piece. This is UMG, and this was $3.50. It is brand new with the tags in a size extra large. Another really cute kimono with the ruffle sleeves. I'm pretty sure I got somebody's kimono stash, so there's that. Could probably get 20 bucks. What is this? Oh, this was also on a new rack. This was only $2. It's a Polo Ralph Lauren sweatshirt in a size 4T. I did not comp this, but $2, you can't really lose on that. Here, this Wilson's leather vest. Vests are pretty in right now. Not sure how well these like more fitted vests do, but this is a size small Wilson's leather and it was only $3.50. J. Crew plaids do really well for me. So this is a size medium. Really pretty. I think this is from 2021, I thought. It was really recent, 2021 or 2022. It's just this really nice, modest neckline, puff sleeve top. Love that. That will photograph super well. This is a really nice Iowa State zip-up jacket, and it is authentic ladies, but it was... I think this is on sale for $29. There's no way that retailed for $29 because these licensed items, like this is officially licensed, definitely cost more than that, but it is a new with tags. Iowa State little track jacket, so should be able to get 25 to 30. I went to 2 consignment stores. So the first one I only found one item at, and it was a BOLO. So I looked and looked and looked, and I was on the phone with my husband, and I was about to walk out, and then I went to the other side of this jacket rack, and I was like, ooh, this looks like leather, and it looks like a racing jacket, which I watched Jack and Ryan's like trend report. They said these racing jackets are going to be super popular for fall and winter, and I looked at the brand, and I was like, ooh, that's a Polaris jacket, and my husband's like, see what the price is. Polaris stuff can do really well. He knows like weird things like that, but I looked it up. I paid $14 for this at a consignment store. I love finding the little gems in between like the priced up stuff. These are going, so this is vintage. This is a vintage Polaris jacket. Look how awesome that is. I have not found this particular style. I found other styles that have like the bright colors and that are vintage, but these are going for $200 to $300 on eBay. I'm super excited. So that was probably the best find of the day, but I did find other stuff. So this particular consignment store is definitely, it's a small business, and it's just somebody that's independently pricing this stuff. They're not like putting their items in an AI system or anything like that, like Plato's or Style Encore would do. So sometimes if they don't know the brand and they're not willing to look up the price, they're gonna underprice things so bad. So like, for instance, I got a pair of Spanx faux leather leggings. Like I have like 8 pairs of them, but we all need a backup. And they were my size. They priced them at $8 regular price, and nobody had grabbed them. That is just crazy to me. Those are $98 leggings and they never go on sale. So anyway, I got some buckle brands basically. I got more than that, but anyway, these are a size 29 long Big Star jeans. Now I did pay up, but I really think these will do well. These were $10, and yeah, all the fading and whiskering and stuff, and the fact that they are a long size should do well. I paid up for these Athleta pants. They are a size 6. They are the Wander Slim Pant, but this style actually does pretty well. I did just recently sell another one of these, and they're new with tags. So I did pay $14, but I don't know, 60. Might be able to get 60 for those. This one was actually on sale for $6, and it was a size 2XL Harley Davidson shirt with the like tattoo mesh sleeves, which mesh sleeves under t-shirts are actually really in right now. So I have a feeling this will do really well. The next item, I never thought I would find rock revivals in the Midwest, only priced at $12, regular price, but I did. So I got these rock revivals. I could not resist. I know they don't sell for as much as they used to. They are a size 28 easy boot. They're not really even that blingy, but I still think these will do 50 bucks. 40 to 50. They do have a little bit of wear on the bottom, but that's not too bad. Overall, they're in great shape. So that's what I paid for those. These are a little bit of a smaller size. They're a size 26, but they were only $10, and they're the angel wing style, which I know can do super well as well. And they are in like perfect shape. Hopefully I can get all this stuff listed today. This is a Patagonia Better Sweater in a ladies large. I paid up for this as well. I paid $16, but I mean, My Style Encore prices these at like $45, so $16 is a steal. It's not really my style, but it's definitely someone's style. Those have over 100% sell-through rate. And I did grab some Judy Blue jeans. So Judy Blues do pretty well, especially in the larger sizes. This is a size 22W, and it is a flare style. These were priced at $12. I'm gonna probably price these at $45 to $50 since they are a bigger size. And that nice flare style that's really in right now. New with tags. I also got, so these were in the clearance, these three. So it was buy one clearance item, get two free. So these are kind of like the crappier items, but I paid $5 for all three of these. So these are a BKE Jake jeans in a size 34 long. They do have wear. They're kind of thinning at the pockets. I'll probably price these at $15. Move them fast. I found these size 0. These are tiny. Zaya Active size 0. Little like scrunch butt leggings. They seem to be in great shape. I don't know. They're just a tiny size. So, I mean, these are like bins prices. So, I don't know. And I got this pair of Old Navy. These are new with tags, Old Navy jeans. And they're a size 28 long. So, nice size. Should do well. Again, all three of those last items were $5 for all of them. And then, is this the last item? I think this is the last item of the haul. So this last item is the BKE Gabby Curvy Fit jeans. I did pay $14 for these, but the Gabby is like a really popular current style for BKE jeans. These are Buckles brand. They're a size 36, which I'm pretty sure the largest size that these go up to is 38 for women. So this size will most likely fly out the door, and they're a great, nice style in super great shape. That was my haul. What do you think? I love shopping at the small town stores and finding all of those gems that no one else is gonna find unless I find them. But anyway, if you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!